Hi, friends. My name is Avinash Ananda, and today I'm going to talk to you about 4 ways to motivate yourself. The first 2 ways to motivate yourself are pain and pleasure. This was spoken about by Sigmund Freud several years ago. He called it the pleasure principle. We move away from what gives us pain, we move towards what gives us pleasure. These are two fundamental drivers of human beings. The other two that I want to share with you are belief and habit. Let me illustrate. Belief, the word, is spelled Belief, which has a LIE somewhere embedded in it. I'm not saying that all beliefs are lies, but what I'm saying is even if a belief is a lie, which means even if your belief has no basis in logic or reality, if you believe it strongly, that can be a great motivator or a great driver. And people even put themselves through pain to live by their beliefs. So if you believe that there's some benefit in something, you will do anything to get it. Or if you believe that something is your duty, and you are made for that. So the strongest belief is belief of who you are. If you believe you are a good parent, you will do anything to be a good parent according to what you believe. So that is called identity, belief of yourself. It's one of the most powerful motivators. If you make someone believe, or you yourself believe, that you are a particular image or you have a role, then that sense of responsibility or duty to be aligned with that identity is the most powerful motivator. The fourth motivator is habit. See, it's not about pain, pleasure, belief. When you brush your teeth, do you think about pain or pleasure or belief or anything like that? No, you brush your teeth because you become a habit. Huh? Maybe in the beginning somebody made you do it. Huh? Maybe you heard that it's a good thing to do, so you started, but you don't even know when you were very young. It's just become a habit. It's become so much of a habit that if you don't do it, you feel uncomfortable. So, some things, if you just begin to start doing them little by little, you will find very soon it will become a habit of the mind, a habit of the body, and then you will just continue to do it. So, make yourself do the things you know that are good to do. Because it's not only about learning, it's not only about accumulating knowledge, it's about application. The difference between wisdom and knowledge is the collection of information and data. Wisdom is the correct application of the same. There are so many courses, so many books. Can you motivate yourself? Motivation, motive for action. Give yourself a motive for action. If there is something you know that you should do, okay, then make not doing it painful enough that you do it. You motivate yourself. Be your own motivator. Be your own coach. And then you will get phenomenal results in life. Enjoy yourself. Motivate yourself to do the best. Bye bye.